life's path I trust in you. Every nation, tongue, and people find a light within your word. Scattered fragile sons and daughters find a home in your dear Son. Like a flame, my heart is burning. May my song arise to you, source of life that has no ending. On life's path I trust in you. God so tender and so patient, dawn of hope, you care for all. Heaven and earth are recreated by the Spirit